Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to Camden Market for the first time. I'm super excited. What are you doing? I'm super excited to go. I've never been. So I thought I'll take you guys along with me and let's try out some yummy food. So we finally reached Camden Market and there's the famous Camden Lock sign on the bridge and Camden Market on the left. Camden Market is one of the best places for street food. They're also known for fashion and art, but we're here for the food. They sell everything from vintage clothing to handmade jewelry and gothic clothing. Most of the shops along Camden High Street are open every day, but if you want to catch the market in full swing, plan to visit Friday to Sunday when most of the stalls are trading. But if you're not looking for too much crowd, then I would recommend going early in the week around 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. It will give you more time to walk around and explore the market properly, and that's exactly what we did. Camden Market food is the most diverse collection of global dishes that you can find all in one place. From Nutella and donut stalls to Indian street food, Camden Market seriously has it all. I doubt that anyone would struggle to find something to enjoy eating at Camden Market. It is certainly somewhere I would like to visit again. If you are planning a visit to London or if you are yet to visit Camden Market, I couldn't recommend a visit enough. Also, let me know if any of you guys have been to Camden and what were your favourite spots. I'd love to know. Comment down below. Market stall owners will wave skewers of samples to people passing by to try out their food, and we really enjoyed trying the samples. Also, with food, don't be in a rush to buy the first thing you see because you'll turn a corner and see something else delicious that you'll want even more. So just walk around the market properly and then decide what you really want. All the food stalls have a street food vibe to them, and like most street food places, these stalls tend to have no seating available. Although there are a few picnic tables here and there and even a couple of open pods, most people tend to sit wherever they can squeeze themselves in, so just be prepared for that. Banana heaven! Look at it, it's a Dutch pancake, yeah. Look, this is the bubble wrap.
This one?
Yeah. We'll come back after we have our main piece. Smell it. Smells nice. Another thing to be aware of is pickpockets. It's just like anywhere else really, but as with crowded places and bigger cities, Camden is a hotspot for pickpockets. So keep a close eye on your wallet or purse. You should always be alert. Now this has to be my favorite shop in Camden Market, Turkish Delight. That's the shop name if you guys are interested. I mean, why wouldn't you be? Everything looked amazing in there. I could literally spend hours and hours just looking at these lamps. These lamps are available in a variety of colors. As you can see, these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Turkish lamps will create a vintage feel within your home and add a traditional touch of Eastern beauty. So if you guys go to Camden Market, definitely go and check this shop out. It's called Turkish Delight.
അത് കൊള്ളാം. അത് നമുക്ക് മീറ്റിങ്ങിന് പോകുമ്പോട്ടുണ്ട് പോയിരുന്നു.
So we checked out Hans and Gretel. Stepping into Hans and Gretel Dessert Emporium felt like stepping into a storybook. You will find everything from fluffy cinnamon dusted chimney cakes to candy floss gelato cones. They also have the famous bubble waffle served with creamy handmade ice cream. They also sell fruit jellies, lollipops, indulgent waffles, and candy houses filled with every pick and mix you can imagine. It was just basically candy heaven. The walls and ceilings are entirely covered in candy canes, lollipops, and colorful sweets, all hanging from the large tree in the center. There's also a candy house that you can sit inside for photos. Then we saw Amy Winehouse's statue. So 3 years after the tragic passing of the iconic Amy Winehouse, a bronze statue was made in her honor, right in the heart of Camden Market. This is another thing Camden is famous for, is the legacy of Amy Winehouse, who lived in Camden until her death in 2011. And also, she even worked in Camden for a while. And money-wise, guys, some people might like to withdraw notes at the nearest ATM. I think many of the stores will accept cards only. In fact, a quick walk around the food Camden Market stores will reveal quite a few signs saying card payments only. So if your cards have a contactless function, this will be the easiest way to pay for food at Camden Market. So we went for Chinese, which was called Camden Noodle. Regular box was £9 and for large it was £10. We went for a bit of everything. We had fried rice, noodles, sweet and sour chicken, salt and pepper chicken. It was really, really nice. Definitely go and check them out. We got the Polish sausage box with chips from Highlander game. You can also go for bread and salad instead of chips. Small was £8 and for large it was £9.50. Budget for food is at least £5 for a drink and between £8 to £15 for a meal. We then tried out the famous cheese wheel. They make freshly made pasta tossed in a massive cheese wheel. It was so gooey and cheesy. We went for the classic Alfredo and it was so nice. They have a range of well-priced options. The cheese is not too overwhelming, but just the right balance. Portion size was very good. We shared between 3 people so we could try some other food. But can you imagine if we had one each, we would be so stuffed. We didn't have to wait for too long and the pasta was served hot. The service was excellent too. We then tried out Khao Karachi and they do the best cheesy naan. They load the naan up with cheese and let it melt before adding a topping of choice. We went for the Malai chicken. They also do tandoori chicken, lamb, paneer and more. It's £8.50 for one and the portion size is so big, it's a perfect portion to share. Then we went and had some freshly squeezed orange juice. This was really nice and sweet. So we wanted to end our day with some dessert. When I say we, it was me and Chechi. So we went for the bubble wrap and oh my goodness, it was 10 out of 10. You get to pick your toppings. So I went for milk chocolate, strawberries, Oreos, flake and whipped cream. I did ask for ice cream but they ran out. But this was honestly the best dessert I've ever tasted in my life. So you definitely have to go and check this place out. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed vlogging it for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!